Welcome. Today, we're going to explore the incredible opportunities that artificial intelligence, AI, presents for making money. AI has rapidly evolved into a powerful tool that can revolutionize businesses and unlock new income streams. So, get ready to dive into the world of AI and discover how it can help you achieve financial success. Before we delve into the details, let's first understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, allowing them to learn, adapt, and make decisions. By leveraging AI, businesses can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make informed predictions that can boost their profits. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more video to help you make money. To tap into the wealth of opportunities presented by AI, you need to follow a simple three-step process. First, you gather relevant data. Second, you train the AI model. And finally, you leverage the power of AI to drive your profits. Let's explore each step in more detail. Step 1. Gather data. Data is the fuel that powers AI. The more high quality and diverse data you have, the better insights you can obtain from your AI model. You can collect data from various sources, such as customer interactions, market trends, or even social media. Utilize this data to understand your target audience, identify emerging trends, and make data-driven decisions. Step 2. Train the AI model. Once you have your data, it's time to train your AI model. This involves feeding the data into the AI system and allowing it to learn and recognize patterns. The AI model will identify correlations, make predictions, and provide valuable insights. You can use pre-existing AI models or develop custom models tailored to your specific business needs. Step 3. Leverage AI for profits. This is where the magic happens. Now that your AI model is trained, you can leverage its capabilities to generate profits. AI can be applied in various ways, such as improving customer experience, optimizing business operations, or even creating new revenue streams. Let's explore some popular AI applications that can help you make money. AI Application 1. Personalized recommendations. By leveraging AI algorithms, you can provide personalized product recommendations to your customers. This not only enhances the customer experience but also increases the likelihood of conversion and repeat business. AI Application 2. Predictive analytics. AI can analyze historical data, identify patterns, and make predictions about future trends. This can help you optimize your inventory management, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns, leading to increased profitability. AI Application 3. Process automation. AI-powered automation can streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for you to focus on strategic activities. By automating workflows, you can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and drive higher profits. AI Application 4. Fraud detection. AI can detect patterns and anomalies in large datasets, enabling early identification of fraudulent activities. By implementing AI-based fraud detection systems, you can protect your business from financial losses and maintain a secure environment for your customers. AI Application 5. Chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can enhance customer support, providing instant responses to inquiries and assisting with basic tasks. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also reduces operational costs. The possibilities with AI are virtually limitless. By exploring innovative AI applications and embracing technological advancements, you can unlock new avenues of revenue generation and propel your business towards financial success. So, there you have it. AI holds immense potential for making money. By gathering data, training AI models, and leveraging their capabilities, you can elevate your business to new heights. Embrace the power of AI, and let it be the driving force behind your financial success. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and embracing the world of AI.